Did you know your apartment complex could just shut down the air conditioning just to get the roof fixed? That would suck. But some people at Lely Pines Condominiums in Naples say they've been without AC for days. And one family, get this, just straight up left because it was so unbearable. You might be as stunned as I am to know that Florida landlords don't have to provide air, but they are required to provide heat in Florida. So I spoke with some local contractors to find out how typical this really is. Jeremy Goddard, a Naples roofer, told me, quote, if it's a flat roof and the AC units are on top of the roof, yes, they have to be disconnected and removed for the roof to be redone. He did say, though, that if it takes longer than 2 or 3 days, you can chalk it up to disorganization as the reason why. And his answer was really simple. However, Goddard did say that if the roof is especially large, it's possible. I did call the condominiums looking for more from the president. Told me couldn't comment at this time. But man, it really makes you think, how do we not have AC as a legal requirement in Florida? Isn't that weird?